What is up, guys? Thanks for tuning in to another video. Rush SRT back again. Today's video is not a very fun one because today happened to be one of the hottest days I've ever experienced in SoCal. Temperatures were like 109 where I live. Absolutely terrible conditions, and I couldn't take the SRT out because it was way too hot. And I don't want this thing to overheat or have any issues, so just rolling around in the daily. And now that it kind of cooled off a little bit, I'm gonna go ahead and wash the car because tomorrow we're gonna go to Cars and Coffee. This is a Cars and Coffee that I've been meaning to go to, and we're going with a Hellcat owner, Charger, so we're gonna be rolling together. So this thing needs a wash, but one thing that I'm very excited about is today I got my new tires. So let's go ahead and take a look at the new tires I got because I have a very good deal for you guys, anyone that's in the market for tires right now. So let's go. Alrighty guys, so I ended up picking up the Pirelli P0 Corsa in a 315/35/20. I got two of these for the rear because if you look at my rear tires, they're not looking too good right now. I have about 6,000 miles on them, few burnouts, few little drift videos, and they are done for. But these things I'm very excited about. I got an amazing deal on these. For two of them, I ended up paying out the door $411 shipped to my house. Now, the reason I got a very good deal on them was because they were produced in 2015. Tire Rack had overstock that they needed to sell. But the nice thing is these wheels are still, or these tires are still warranted. They are good to go. So there's no risk in installing this on my vehicle whatsoever. I spoke to Tire Rack and confirmed that everything was stored in a controlled environment, and they look very good. So I'm excited to have these on the car. These are a lot softer, so they should grip much better, and the added width of them is going to help quite a bit. So as you can see, guys, going from a 275 to a 315 is a very big difference on the rear end. This one is a lot more meaty, so there's a lot more friction with the ground. It should be able to perform much better. Now the problem I run into is I will need a different rim in order to get the full potential of this tire, the full range of it without having to stretch it in a bad way. So I'm looking currently for rims. 10.5 would be perfect to get these bad boys mounted on the car and gripping really well. And apart from the fact that there is more friction, these are a softer compound, which is going to translate to much better hookup off the line. Alrighty guys, so there are the new tires. I'm very excited to get these things on because I know it's going to transform the whole character of the car. The car is going to be a lot more fun to drive now that it's able to hook off the line. So I'm very excited, but before we go ahead and change them out, I'm going to go ahead and do a before and after just to show you the real results, because I think this is one of the most important things for any Challenger owner to do is get a better tire. It's gonna make your car that much more usable. It's fun to slide and do burnouts and all that stuff, but when it comes down to it, if you're racing or doing anything that requires you to put the power down, if you don't have the right tires, it's pretty much just all wasted power. So that's it for today. I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning the car now. And I actually listened to you guys. A lot of you were recommending that I get a wash mitt, and I did. So here's that. I ended up using my rewards to pick up a wash mitt. Since I always get roasted by you guys about not having a wash mitt, I got a wash mitt for a whole, check this out, $1.39 since I had a $5 rewards thing from them. So he said this one's pretty good. Give it a shot next time I wash the car and see how it does. Okay guys, now that we rinsed the car down, we can go ahead and hit it with the foam. So I'm using my foam cannon here. If you haven't seen that video, check it out and put it up there. It's a very good one. This is a $20 foam cannon. I use this thing every single time I wash the car. It's absolutely amazing. car is fully washed. Last step is to go ahead and dry it, and thankfully I only choose to wash my car now after the sun sets, which is very nice because it gives you enough time to go ahead and dry off the car with you know, take your time with it pretty much, because usually when the sun's out you're like rushing to get those watermarks off. But if you wait till the sun goes down, then you have a lot of time to go ahead and get that water off and you get a nice clean wash. So let's go ahead and get right into that. I'm going to go ahead and dry it and then apply some wax to it, and we should be all set to go to Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning and show off the car. The only thing is, I know I'm going to get criticism because this is really weird, but my rims are actually still two different colors. So I have the black, and if we look on this side, I am still rocking my hyper black rims right there. So I'm thinking tomorrow's video, we're gonna go ahead and ask people in person what they think looks better on the car, just to get like an in-person perspective. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. I'm excited to go to this Cars and Coffee tomorrow. It's gonna be a lot of fun. And guys, I use these microfiber towels that I picked up from Amazon every time I wash the car. They're absolutely amazing. I picked up 50 of them for 20 bucks, so it's a very, very good deal. There's a bunch of different colors, so it's really cool. So you know which one's dirty, which one's not. I was color coordinated at first, but I just have so many of them laying everywhere. So check this out. I literally use these things for everything because I got so many of them. So 2 up there, there's a bunch down here for wheels, other wash rags right there, new ones are over here. So I've used these things for just about anything. They're very, very good, especially when you think that you get 50 of these for like 20 bucks. You can't really beat that. And when you're done with them, you just toss them out and you can reorder for more. So it's really easy. So if you guys are interested in picking these up, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link in the description down below. So check it out. Let's dry. Okay, and that is a wrap on the little wash that we did today. Last thing I need to do is to go ahead and get some tire shine on the wheels. Wheels looking really good. So we just gotta shine those up. And early in the morning tomorrow, when I can see the paint a little better, I might need to apply some spray on wax in certain areas. But as of right now, because it's nighttime, can't really see where I need to add it. But to me, it looks really, really good. And that will be a wrap on that. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you did enjoy it, as always, make sure you leave a like on it. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button for more videos. I'm trying to stay consistent and posting on the regular for you guys. So Rush SRT, send it out. I'll see you guys later. Peace. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream.